Right, just doing a quick follow-up from the last video on the Power BI bits and bobs. So wanted to show the connection parameters. So let's have a look at that. There we go. Right, so we're back on the same sandbox as before. This one, they've got the two different companies, Cronus and Contoso North. And let's have a look at the Power BI apps. We've got the Cronus and Contoso North one. So let's first check the connections in on the Power BI app side. So if you go to the, if you go on the three dots and do edit, do you want to go to the workspace? Yes. And let's have a look at this. So the objects inside the workspace can all be, they're just as long as they're unique, I think, inside the workspace in terms of the name and the type. I think that's the rules there. So let's just look at the settings on this to check where this one's connected. So we've got the parameters here. So inside the semantic model settings and then the parameters, you can see the environment and the exact company name. So it's, in my case, it's Cronus UK Limited dot, and we can check that exactly what it needs to be from within the company. If we do Power BI and then Power BI connector, we can see here sandbox Cronus UK dot. I don't think it's case sensitive, but sometimes it's better just to match it exactly, right? So that's that one. So if I go to my other workspace, the Cronus North workspace, and check the semantic model in here, settings, there they are, parameters, and I've got here Contoso North Limited dot. So we think they're connected. Let's check them out. So if I go to, let's open up this one in a tab, let's open up that one in a tab. Let's need to sign in. All right, so now does it say on the screen here? That would be useful, wouldn't it? If it actually said that. Oh, there, it does say it there. So top right, you can see the company it's connected to. This one's connected to Contoso North. I didn't actually do the fix on the categories in Contoso North. So let's do something wild on the vendors just to check that it really is connected. So we've got, let's do something on nod. So one nod and one worldwide. So let's go back to here. So on Cronus, vendors, new document. It doesn't really matter which one I do, does it? Purchase invoice. Let's have an Athens desk. There we go. That should stick out like a sore thumb. Post. Okay, we do need this. Post that, and that was for Fabricam. So now let's go to the other company and post a wild document on a different vendor. Refresh both models. Expectation is that those charts will update to kind of validate that we have connected it fully. Let's go to the other company. Let's do first up consultants, new document, purchase invoice, some more Athens desks. There we go. Right, they're posted. So let's refresh the data model. So let's go in here first. Can you do it from here? Fresh visuals? No, I think you need to go back to the actual workspace. What's the easiest way to do that? Can you do it here? Okay, there we go. So fresh now. It's that one. And then let's go to Contoso. Refresh now. Right, that took a few moments for Contoso to refresh, but it's now finally refreshed. So let's go and have a look at the apps. So the Cronus refreshed pretty quickly, and we can see there the the large purchase I did from Fabricam over here. I haven't actually refreshed this one yet. The model is now refreshed. There we go, First Up Consultant. So that's definitely connected to the right company, or two different companies anyway. Next things to do on this, on the Contoso, would be to sort out the categories and yeah, fill in the other information. I did connect. I did do the connector setup, choosing the finance apps. You've got to make sure you pick it from the right workspace, but within the workspace the apps can be all named the same, it seems. So that means that if I now visit the finance report in Contoso, it should show me that one report we were just looking at with the big the big purchase from First Up. And if I can swap same list, no, just open a new tab here. Finance reports and Fabricam. There we go. Excellent. So that's that's two companies. Yeah, I mean, maybe in the future it'll be we'll see some features around better multi-company support, but there's a lot to get under on a single company. Anyway, thanks all. Bye.